To change a room number, first select the monitor you wish to modify. Check the system information to verify its current room number is 7 and confirm it can receive calls from both the building machine and administrator unit. Now, access system settings and enter the default password 666666. Select extension to modify settings. Enter the new room number as 2 and set the extension number to 1. Click OK to confirm. Then wait for the monitor to reboot. Finally, verify the change in system information and test call connectivity from the building machine or administrator unit. Successful calls confirm the room number update is complete.